First tonight, advocating for local control. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark Welp.
And I'm Shelby Roberts. Illinois superintendents coming together on paper, hoping state officials hear their pleas.
WMBD's Durante Matthews joins us live in studio to show us school leaders' latest attempt at regaining authority. Durante?
And Mark and Shelby, written in black and white, 84 superintendents in the state contributed and signed off on a widely distributed op-ed piece today expressing frustration with the lack of local control across issues in public education. Now, they say they should have authorization or at least a say in certain decisions that affect local school districts. The role of elected school officials is being called into question. Those appointed to serve local school districts say they're being left out of the conversation for decisions affecting their own areas.
They're being suppressed in their ability to act on behalf of our community unless they want to be in defiance of the state mandates.
Zach Chatterton is the superintendent of Farmington School District 265. He's also just one of 84 Illinois superintendents who signed off on an op-ed piece asking state leaders to restore local control to those who say they know their communities best. Chatterton says the latest issue was Governor J.B. Pritzker's universal mask mandate last month, overriding return to school plans.
We were very involved in putting forth a plan that we felt very comfortable with. And then all of a sudden that was taken away from us.
The piece goes on to criticize the, quote, zigzag nature of decision-making out of Springfield. It also criticizes the repercussions for going against the governor's mandates, governing by executive order, and reducing school boards' roles.
Each community has different needs and different thoughts and different values, and we want to be able to address those through local decision-making.
Morton Superintendent Jeff Hill is one of the piece's authors. He says they've been pushing for local control since July, including meeting with leaders in Springfield. Hill says the op-ed is the latest push to get leaders in Springfield to hear them out and take a step back.
Springfield certainly can set benchmarks and outcomes, but in terms of the specific ways to meet those benchmarks and outcomes, that should be left locally.
And Hill also says there are more school districts on board than the 84 listed in the op-ed. He says the issue is not just about the pandemic, but about taking decisions completely away from those who serve their communities. Mark?